tearing apart the fabric of society, I warn you, the maximum penalty for this is death.
I did not do anything.
You placed a mighty tool in the hands of children and housewives. That is a serious case. You produced something that gave the user more time to cause problems.
Time and tools don't overthrow the nations.
Your Honor, a tool is a slaver. You have made the job of a housewife so easy. You have removed the satisfaction of hard work. It will cause problems in the home, the foundation of our society. You have lowered the skill level required of a housewife. You are further widening the gap between the masses and the technological elite. It is the duty of state to protect law and order. We ask the jury if we can put this dangerous developer away where he can do no more harm. We can move you into research.
You, the jury, now tell us that what do you think about your decision now? If you agree that the state should have a role in what the developer should do, by keeping in mind three things. First, he must consider social and environmental impacts. Second, he must not take on a job he can't handle. And the third, he is guilty of subversive conduct. Clerk, please count the votes.
Will you please raise your hands who think about the opinion 1?
About social and environmental effects.
And who think about the second opinion?
The job he can handle. He should not take the job that he can handle.
And those who think about the third opinion?
The subversive conduct. What do you say?
Please count sentences.
Do you have anything to say, Prosecutor?
Your Honor, you can have a look in the document and thank you.
It looks like some legal documents, right?
Yeah.
After this small piece of document from the prosecutor, I am instructed to overrule this verdict. Let me read you something from the instructions which I have been given just now. Quotes. This government is interested in everything that is going on and is determined to protect the overall interest of society against capitalist profiteers.
What does the state know about softwares?
Well, the state will leave decisions and disciplinary action to the Association of Computer Engineers.
Is that like for doctors?
Yes, just like for the doctors.
That's all right now.
All right, let me consolidate your things and then soon I will announce the sentence. Just consider the 5 minutes have passed away. I hereby announce the sentences. Each engineer in the companies Soho and Novo Motion will suffer one of the appropriate sentences. For the charges by the prosecutor for Novo Motion of unprofessional conduct concerning the specifications, you are sentenced to 3 months consultation with office automation users about user friendliness. For the charge of bad management, you are sentenced to 2 months prototyping of data entry forms in each of Basic, C and ERA. Now for the charges by the prosecutor of the Consumer Protection Society for lack of responsibility to the user, you will spend 26 weekends on community service for a local museum. You must write the operator's guide for 1789 steam power automobile so that anyone can use it. And on the charge of inadequate testing, you are required to retest your product, right? As you said, with all combinations of 20 words, and to make it easy, you can limit sentences to 10 words in length. And for charges by the state prosecutor, you fail to consider the environment and society. You have to admit. For each further application of your voice control system, you are required to write an environmental impact statement according to American law and a social impact statement according to European law. And for taking on a job which you can't handle, of course, I need further evidence. I make no judgment at the moment. You will have 1 month to document all the management decisions you made during the project together with lists of the alternatives and the reasons of your choices. When I have considered this, I will decide your sentences. And on the most important and serious charge of subversive conduct, you have been declared guilty. You are sentenced to one what? Sorry. You are held with a fine sum of $1. We do not agree with all the views of the state. So that ends the session. Thank you, the defendant. Thank you, prosecutors. Thank you, members of the jury. I congratulate you all for the attendance in the landmark case. Thank you.
Any clarification questions? I think we all understood this. Okay, we'll take a break now, and Group C can prepare. We'll have a break of, well, we can actually take a quarter of an hour if we like. You can have coffee or something.